To create a MetaMask wallet, start by going to the official MetaMask website and clicking on the download button. You can choose to install the browser extension on Google Chrome, Firefox, or other supported browsers. Once the installation is complete, click on the MetaMask icon in your browser toolbar and select Create a Wallet. You will be asked to create a password for your wallet. Make sure it is strong and unique. Next, you will be given a seed phrase, which is a list of words that can be used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. Write down the seed phrase and store it in a safe place. Do not share it with anyone. After setting up your password and seed phrase, your wallet will be created and you will be taken to the main interface. Here you can see your account balance, transaction history, and other settings. To add funds to your wallet, click on the Add Tokens button and select the type of cryptocurrency you want to add. You can also connect to different blockchain networks, such as the Ethereum mainnet or testnet, by clicking on the network drop-down menu. Make sure to always verify the URL of the website you are interacting with to avoid phishing scams. To send or receive cryptocurrency, click on the Send or Receive button and enter the recipient's address. Always double-check the address before confirming the transaction. It is also important to keep your wallet and browser up to date to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. By following these steps, you can create a MetaMask wallet and start interacting with the blockchain ecosystem. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your seed phrase and password safe. With MetaMask, you can easily manage your digital assets and explore the world of decentralized finance and applications.